Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, and welcome back to ElectroDrive News. Are you considering making a switch to an electric car? Well, we've got some important news for you that's going to affect your wallet in a big way. As of April 1st, the tax changes are coming into play, and it's essential to know what this means for you. So let's dive straight into the details. If you buy an electric car before March 31st, you'll save £10 on your first-year vehicle excise duty, also known as road tax. That may not seem like a lot, but trust us, it adds up over time. And if you're planning to spend more than £40,000 on your new car, the luxury car tax will kick in, and that's where things get really expensive. The good news is that there are plenty of affordable electric cars available, from Abarth to Volvo, so you don't have to break the bank. But be cautious of those tempting offers. They might not always be as cheap as they seem. The list price, or RRP, is what determines the tax, so make sure you're getting a genuine deal. Now, if you're thinking of letting your electric car battery run down to zero, think twice before doing that. Not only will it reduce the lifespan of your battery, but it could also affect its value and even impact your ability to sell it in the future. So, what does this mean for you? If you buy an electric car now versus waiting until April 1st, how much more will you end up paying? Well, according to our calculations, if you spend over £40,000 on your new car, waiting till April could cost you at least £2,125 over the next 6 years. That's a significant chunk of change. At ElectroDrive News, we're all about giving you the facts and helping you make informed decisions when it comes to electric cars. So, do yourself a favor and research these tax changes before making your decision. Your wallet and the environment will thank you. That's all for today, folks. If you have any questions or concerns about these tax changes, be sure to check out our website and social media channels for more information. And don't forget to subscribe to ElectroDrive News for the latest updates on electric cars and sustainable motoring.